family road tripping time. Where can I set this thing, camera? I can set it right here. Let's go, Mom. Driving in the car. What?
Music.
Yeah. Driving in the car. What?
When does my mom get these? Just have like 2 or 3.
Don't you mean since your husband get these?
Sure.
Yay, Mommy.
My husband loves these.
Oh, no,
I
I
get 2.
I know. I like these.
Okay. Let's all go to Kohl's.
They see me rolling. They hate it. Boom, boom.
Honk, honk. Boom, boom.
Let me shut my door, Mommy.
Honk, honk. Go. You just now decided to do that?
Okay, seatbelt on. We're going on a ride.
Daddy. Road trip, road trip. Boom, 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 boom.
I wasn't strapped in.
Neither am I, but I'm okay.
Safety first. Wait. Seatbelt. So we can be safe.
Yeah.
Safety first, kids. Yes, Mom.
What is that for? We're like monkeys.
Okay, go,
Did I
Mama.
make the car shake?
I'm a guppy fish. Guppy fish don't smile except for me.
Let's all make the car shake, guys.
I remember that at lunch. I'm a guppy fish.
Oh my God. Oh, big what?
Sweetie, you just dropped my phone. Should we stop it?
Road trip is over. And bye.